Hi, good morning, boys and girls. It is story time with Ollie and Miss Denise. I hope you guys have been enjoying your summer. I know that I have. Today it's like super duper whooper hot. It's like in the hundreds. At least it feels like it's in the hundreds. I don't know about where you guys live, but it's really hot here. So we're staying inside, keeping cool. Yes, we are. Well, we are going to read a new story today, but before we do that, you know that we have to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? You will? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, that was great singing. Thanks, guys. Okay, we are going to read a new story today. It is one of my preschoolers' most favorite book. Okay, Ollie, I'm going to put you down. You can listen, but you're going to sit down there for a second. Okay, you guys ready for this? It is their favorite book. They make me read it almost every day. It's called Cows in the Kitchen, and it's by June Crebin. Cows in the Kitchen. It's a book that you sing the words to. Okay, so you guys ready? Okay, let's have fun. Cows in the Kitchen. There is the title page. It's a big book. Okay, you guys ready? Cows in the kitchen, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen, moo, moo, moo. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Look it, I'm going to hold it really close and you guys can see how silly all of those cows are being. Do cows belong in a kitchen? They don't. No. Silly cows. Licking the jello. Oh my goodness. This guy's drinking some soda pop. Breaking dishes. Ooh, what a mess. You ready? This is ducks. Ducks in the dishes, quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes, quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes, quack, quack, quack. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Do ducks belong in the dishes? No, they don't. That's silly too. But they sure are having fun. I'm going to hold it really close for you guys to see. Silly, isn't it? Pigs. Pigs in the pantry, oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the pantry, oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the pantry, oink, oink, oink. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Do you guys have pigs in your pantry? No. Oh my goodness, that pig is eating jelly. And this one is eating cookies and look, spilled milk. Look at the pigs in the pantry. Pigs don't go in a pantry, do they? No. What are those? That's right, they're chickens. Another word for chickens is hens. Hens on the hat stand, cluck, cluck, cluck. Hens on the hat stand, cluck, cluck, cluck. Hens on the hat stand, cluck, cluck, cluck. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Oh my goodness, look at all the hens looking and inside of all the hats. Do hens belong on a hat stand? No, they don't. Uh-oh. Do you know what those are? Sheep. Sheep on the sofa, ba, ba, ba. Sheep on the sofa, ba, ba, ba. Sheep on the sofa, ba, ba, ba. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Do sheep go on the sofa? No, look, this one's bouncing over. It bounced from here to here to here off the page. Sheep don't go on the sofa. That's silly. Farmer in the haystack, zzz, zzz, zzz. Farmer in the haystack, zzz, zzz, zzz. Farmer in the haystack, zzz, zzz, zzz. Time to wake up, Tom Farmer. Uh-oh. Tom Farmer got startled, didn't he? We startled him awake. Look, he spilled his coffee. Oh my goodness. That's why all the animals were in his house, because he was sleeping on the haystack. Out of the farmhouse, shoo, shoo, shoo. Out of the farmhouse, shoo, shoo, shoo. Out of the farmhouse, shoo, shoo, shoo. Shoo, 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 shoo. Does Tom Farmer want all those animals in his farmhouse? No, he doesn't. He's shooing them all out. Farmer in the armchair, shh, shh, shh. Farmer in the armchair, shh, shh, shh. Farmer in the armchair, shh, 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 shh. The farmer fell asleep. Look, they're looking at him through the window, sleeping. What do you think they're up to? Lift the latch, shh, shh, shh. Push the door, shh, shh, shh. What do you think they're doing? Do you think they're trying to get back into the farmhouse? Creep down the hall, shh, shh, shh. Look, they're tiptoeing. They're trying to be as quiet as they can. That's what we do, Tom Farmer. Oh no, they startled him up again and giving him lots of love. That's okay. He's got a big smile on his face. That's the end of that silly, fun story. I liked that story. Now you see why all my preschoolers wanted to listen to it every day. They would sing it along with me too. Maybe we'll read it a few more times too, and then you can sing it with me. Or you could ask your grown-up to check it out at the library, or have your grown-up buy it, and then maybe you guys can sing it at home. It's a lot of fun. Okay, Ollie, it is time for us to say goodbye. So will you sing the goodbye song with Ollie and I? Yeah? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Oh, that was some good singing. Thank you, guys. Okay, kisses. Don't forget those kisses. Ollie's gonna blow you some kisses, so get ready to catch. Mwah! 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 Oh, good job, Ollie. Okay, will you guys blow kisses so Ollie can catch them? Okay, they will, Ollie, so you gotta be looking. Ooh, he is looking. Oh, there's one, get it, yeah. Oh, there's one, get it, yeah. What about right up there? Yes. And right in the middle. Oh, good job, Ollie. Okay, rub them on your cheek. Thank you guys for the kisses, and thank you for joining Ollie and me today with story time. We will see you again next week, and you guys have an amazing week playing in the sun. Bye-bye.